Good afternoon. Sorry, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Sir. Good
Good morning, sir.
Yo.
Good morning.
So this is so analogy or something like that.
Classification.
Yes, sir.
Yes. In the last period, I was teaching this.
Sir, how was our project?
It
Model
was
and
very,
question.
very good. Excellent, outstanding.
And so Smriti ma'am also said that.
So your good work is. मैंने कहा था आप लोगों से अगर आपका प्रेजेंटेशन वीडियो अच्छे होंगे तो योर कोऑर्डिनेटर एंड योर प्रिंसिपल विल आल्सो लाइक इट. वैसे ही हुआ.
Sir, said to
Yes,
make
sir.
video like that only. I make first. I introduce myself. Then I.
Then you
My
explained the project also. Very good. So I liked it a lot. Hania is still sitting near Saturn. He's laughing. Video off कर दिया. Some students have still not sent the. They have not made it or what? They have not sent the videos or anything.
So I have cutted my video 50 times, I think. So I
Why?
have retried it 30 times. So because
Why?
it was so much blur and all. So
अच्छा.
sometimes it was
One
coming
video I've
blur,
made my video.
sometimes some noise was coming from the background. And sometimes my sister was shouting. That's why.
Okay.
Sir,
कोई बात नहीं. It was very good. All of you. I really appreciate you all for your efforts.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Exercise
Thank you, sir.
4D. Welcome. Exercise 4D. We are doing question number 2. We have done the third part, I think. Let's do the fifth part.
Yes, sir.
Fifth part is subtract minus 18 upon 11 from 1. 1 में से minus करना है. क्या minus करना है? Minus 18 upon 11. Okay. 1 minus 18 upon 11. So here you can write the denominator as 1. जहाँ पर आपको डिनोमिनेटर नहीं दिया हुआ है, कोई डिनोमिनेटर नहीं है किसी नंबर में, सो इन दैट केस यू कैन राइट द डिनोमिनेटर एज 1. नाउ द एलसीएम ऑफ 1 and 11 is 11. So 11 divided by 1 is 11 into 1 is again 11. Minus 18. So 11 divided by 11
Sir?
is 1. 1 into minus 18 is minus 18. Yes.
Sir, I am saying that in the third question of question number 2, third part, I want to say that 45 was the LCM, and then for minus 40 minus 27, and then so answer will be the 13 positive. Okay, sir. So why we not do minus?
I will just show you, just a minute.
So my
29
second one
upon
is
11.
over now.
You're talking
So I
about
think
the
we have
third part.
written the wrong question.
Sorry?
Sir, I think we have written the wrong question. In second question, it is minus 18 upon 11.
Yes, sir.
That is what I have written. वही तो लिखा है. We have
It's
to
by
subtract.
mistake. I saw.
हाँ. We have to subtract minus 18 upon 11 from 1. तो 1 को पहले लिखेंगे, फिर minus 18 upon 11 बाद में लिखेंगे माइनस करने के लिए. ओके.
Okay, sir.
So subtract minus 18 upon 11 from 1, that means 1 पहले लिखेंगे. Okay. Third wala, Sania was asking this one. It was minus 3 upon 5 minus 8 upon 9. ये था. 45 is the LCM. So 9 into minus 3 is minus 27, minus 5 into 8 is minus 40. Okay. So minus 27 minus into minus plus 40 upon 45. Now you see, Sania, minus 27 plus 40. पहले माइनस 20 देखो, इंटीजर बोर्ड में किया था. माइनस 27 लेफ्ट साइड में जाएंगे पहले, फिर राइट साइड में 40 प्लेसेस राइट में आ जाएंगे, तो कहाँ पर जाके पहुंचेंगे? 13 पे आ जाएंगे.
Yes, sir.
13
My
upon
mistake was that I write opposite question minus 40 then minus 27.
नहीं
That's why
नहीं
my
नहीं.
answer was wrong.
Understood?
So I want to say thank you to Sania
Thank you.
because that time I was also not able to write the last, so the third one.
Okay, so you can note down now.
Sania. So done.
Sir, done.
Very good. Do
Sir,
the
done.
okay, do the 10th part of this question.
Sir, 10.
So can fractions be in bracket?
10th part. Yes, Brinda.
Can fraction be in bracket?
Fractions को bracket में, yes, you can write fractions in brackets. Minus 3 upon 5 minus 5. Okay. 5 you have to subtract from minus 3 upon 5. That means minus 3 upon 5 पहले लिखना है. Now here there is no denominator, so you write the denominator as 1. Now the LCM is 5 minus 3 minus 5 divided by 1 is 5. 5 into 5 is 25 minus 20. No, 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 not a bracket. There is no need of bracket in this case. 25. Okay.
So can you please tell that can the fractions be in bracket? I was just asking.
Yes. Suppose this is 3 upon 4, you can write it in bracket.
Okay, so so like in we are using a formula, so that in that can we write
Yes.
fractions in a bracket?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Minus 28 upon 5 answer. Question 3. First part. 3 upon 4 minus 4 upon 5. Very difficult question. 3 upon 4 minus 4 upon 5. Extremely difficult. LCM 20. 5 into 3. 15. 16 minus 1 upon 20. Very difficult. Okay, done, all of you. Let's start with the next question. All of you all will try question number 3, third part.
Okay, sir.
Question 3, third part. Seven upon 24 minus 19 upon 36. Chalo, do it yourself, and then after doing you will show your copies in the video. Do the question, show your copies in the video after doing it.
Okay, sir.
So which question? Okay, sir.
Question 3, third part. And keep your videos on.
Sir.
Yes. Are you showing your answer? Anyone? Please start your videos.
Sir, just 1 minute.
Ania, when are you coming back to Earth?
Sir, just
अच्छा, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ बेटा आप अर्थ पे वापस कब आओगे? आनिया,
sir, done.
done?
Answer is -17 and 17.
Okay, show your notebook, all of you. Those who have done. कितनी देर लगाओगे ये क्वेश्चन करने में?
Sir, that's why it was late because I am doing question number 2 last part. Then I will start question number 3.
चलो, किसने करा है? सारा ने कर लिया. Let me see. सारा.
I am also done.
Just a minute. Let me check. Absolutely correct. Very good.
Sir, done.
We're done.
Thank you, sir.
show it.
Sir, I'm with my laptop, so I will be able to show like this.
Okay, okay.
If you are able to show, so please. tell me.
Okay, थोड़ा सा बेटा पास लाओ. हाँ, correct, very good. Nishu. Zehra. Very good, correct. और कोई? हानिया. अच्छा, सैटर्न पे बैठे बैठे दिखा दो अपनी कॉपी. हानिया, सैटर्न से ही यहाँ पे अपने अर्थ पर कॉपी दिखा दो बरेली में. Qibla is showing. Qibla, your answer is absolutely correct. Very good.
Sir, done.
Hania, are you showing it?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir,
Who
done.
else has done? Who else has done? Faridi.
Yes, sir.
Faridi, very good. Your answer is absolutely correct. Okay. Almost मतलब सभी ने आंसर जो जो बच्चे कॉपी दिखा रहे हैं सही है. I am still waiting for some more students to show it. Shubh Patel, Soumya Kapoor, R.N. Kumar, Kanak, Harshdeep, Vrinda, are you showing it?
Yes. Sir.
Just a minute. Where are you, Vrinda? Ania is showing it. Ania, correct answer. Very good. हाँ, वृंदा कहाँ गई?
Sir, just a second.
Ania, I have seen yours. Yours is correct. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Harshdeep, Kanak. Remaining students, please show your notebook. Shreyas Patel, Arnav, Dhananjay, Karthik. Show your copies.
Sir, 1 minute.
हाँ जी, कौन दिखा रहा है? कोई नहीं दिखा.
Sir, just 2 minutes. I have done wrong, so I'm just correcting it.
चलो, I will see.
Sir, just doing this sum only for 1 minute.
चलो, I am doing it on the board. I will be asking the next one. Okay, now. 36 is the LCM. Sorry, 72 is the LCM. I'm sorry. 72 is the LCM. 24 से 72 को डिवाइड करा 3 into 7 21 minus 72 divided by 36 is 2 into 19 is 38.
38.
21 minus 38 is minus
Sir,
7
the answer is minus 17 upon this.
upon 72. It's not easy.
72.
Okay. Fifth. 4 upon 9 minus 2 upon minus 3. Here the second number here is a number which is not in a standard form. So पहले convert कर लीजिए standard form में 4 upon 9 minus 2 upon 3. Okay, now The LCM is 9. 4 minus 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Okay. 4 minus minus 6, that means 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 upon 9, that means 10 upon 9. Answer of the fifth part. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do it.
Sir, written.
So, so can you please wait? I'm just bringing my third maths notebook.
Okay.
So this is, so which I'm bringing is the third maths one.
Third notebook. That means you have finished 2 notebooks.
So this is my second.
Yes.
Completely
Sir,
filled. इतनी जल्दी कैसे कर
this
दी?
is my first only.
Are you all using that thin one? You register or you're using
Yes, sir.
thin notebook?
Yeah,
So the
register.
thin
So
one.
actually, I was not having the flat. So I was not having the thick one, so I was using that only.
Working on third notebook.
अरे मर गए. इतनी
Sir, I'm
जल्दी
using the register.
So this is my third notebook.
Yeah, me too.
So then this one notebook should be used by the students of class KG or NC.
अच्छा. This
Yes,
is the
sir.
reason. This is the reason. Oh, that is why. So that is why we ask children to use registers for maths.
So that's why today from that time I am using this register.
Okay.
Get with notebooks and all.
Okay, all of you all will try the 7th part now. Do the 7th part. Start doing.
Seventh part.
Yes, 7th.
Sir, done.
Okay.
So the
Hmm.
third.
Okay.
So done.
Okay. So what is the answer of 7th part?
Minus 1 upon 14.
Minus 1 upon 14.
Minus 1 upon 14. Minus 5.
Minus 1 upon 14.
Plus 2 minus 5 plus 4 minus 5 plus minus 1 upon 14 is absolutely correct. Very good. May I do it on the board? अच्छा चलो मैं कर देता हूँ. Those
No, sir.
who are a little confused, they can check their answers. If someone is a little confused in it. Minus 5 upon 14 minus 2 upon 7. Very, very, very difficult question again. LCM is 14. -5 minus 4 हो जाएगा ये. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 2 into -2 is -4. Okay. So -5 plus 4 upon 14. This is -1 upon 14. Answer.
So in this
Okay.
question also we've used the integer board.
You can use the integer board. You used it? और मतलब अब तो दिमाग में इंटीजर बोर्ड बन जाता होगा कभी कभी तो दिमाग में असली में बनाने से फायदा क्या होता है दिमाग में जब ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं तो दिमाग में अपने आप इंटीजर बोर्ड बन जाता होगा एंड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाता होगा इज इट
So
लाइक
actually
दैट
we have used, so we have used that, so that's why we learned how to do that. So we just recall it in our mind and just do like that only.
एग्जैक्टली चलो फायदा हुआ एक्टिविटी का चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 लेट अस स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन 4 is subtract the sum of this and this from the sum of this and this. Okay, देखो the sum of 33 and 8 33 upon 8 and -19 upon 4 इन दोनों के सम में से हमको क्या माइनस करना है इन दोनों का सम माइनस करना है 36 upon 11 प्लस 49 upon 22. सो इसमें आपको क्वेश्चन को खुद अपने आप बनाना पड़ेगा एक तरीके से ठीक है एक बार फिर से क्वेश्चन पढ़ो यहाँ पे लिखा है देखो मैं बताता हूँ ऑल ओके देखिए look at the board everyone I am reading the question you have to look at the board don't look at the book okay यहाँ पे लिखा है subtract the sum of this and this sum of this and this subtract करना है इन दोनों का sum subtract the sum of this and this from the sum of this and this इन दोनों के सम में से आपको इन दोनों का सम माइनस करना समझ में आ गया कैसे लिखा मैंने अंडरस्टूड
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ओके तो ये बहुत ध्यान रखना है कि कौन सी चीज पहले लिखनी है कौन सी बाद में लिखनी है कभी कभी बच्चे उल्टा लिख देते हैं ओके तो ये सब्ट्रैक्शन में थोड़ा सा इस चीज पे यू हैव टू पे अटेंशन कि सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस फ्रॉम दिस ऐसा जब लिखा होता है तो जो बाद में नंबर लिखा होता है वो पहले हम लिखते हैं and फिर माइनस करके फर्स्ट वाला लिखते हैं ठीक है now you can do it so what is the LCM of 8 and 4 the LCM is 8 ब्रैकेट्स को पहले सॉल्व करेंगे 33 प्लस माइनस 38 ओके 38 हो गया minus 38 minus here the LCM is 22 so this is minus 72 plus 49 33 minus 38 ब्रैकेट्स ओपन हो गया अंदर वाला ब्रैकेट ओपन हुआ अपॉन 8 माइनस यहाँ पर माइनस कर लीजिए minus 72 plus 49 is equal to 352 and 23 minus 23 upon 22 okay 33 minus 38 is minus 5 upon 8 minus 23 upon 22 तो यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट ओपन करके 4 upon सॉरी प्लस 23 upon 22 आ जाएगा प्लस हो गया ये क्योंकि बीच में भी माइनस है और ब्रैकेट के अंदर भी माइनस है दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होकर प्लस हो ओके now again you will take the LCM of 8 and 22 the LCM of 8 and 22 is I think it is 88 yes 88 divided by 8 is 11 into minus 5 is minus 55 plus 4 into 23 92 minus 55 plus 92 37 upon 88. Answer. Final answer.
So done.
Sir,
Very
done.
good.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Okay.
So I don't know why I think that this question is very logical.
Logical. Why?
Yes, sir. So like so firstly we have to add this, and then we have to subtract the sums of
Matlab,
this.
you found the question as a good question.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, question number 8. The sum of, sorry, 5. Question 5. The sum of two rational numbers is this. If one of them is this, find the other. Okay. This is a word problem. Question number 5. Have you all done this? एक बार आंसर चेक करना जरा
Yes,
बुक
sir.
से। इसका आंसर चेक कर लो। Question 4, exercise 4D. Is it correct?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
So then question number 5. I hope you all have done this. Question 5. Question 5 is a word problem. It is written that the sum of two rational numbers is 4 upon 21. If one of the number is given, find the other. Let the other number be x. Let the missing number be x. Let the unknown number be x. कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. Let the missing number be x. मान लिया.
So
अब ये कह
the
रहे हैं दो नंबर्स का सम 4 अपॉन 21 है. उन दोनों में से एक नंबर आपको दिया हुआ है 5 अपॉन 7. दूसरा नंबर हमने x मान लिया. सम मतलब ऐड. फर्स्ट नंबर सेकंड नंबर दोनों का सम कितना दिया हुआ है 4 upon 21. So this is the equation. This type of question you have done in the chapter fractions also. Lot of questions you have done. So 4 upon 21 minus 5 upon 7. 5 upon 7 RHS में जाके minus हो जाएगा. The LCM is 21. 4 minus 15. X equal to minus 11 upon 21. Clear? Note it down.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
yes, sir. So done.
Sir, done.
Sir, wait.
Very good. Very good, beta.
Sir, done.
Very nice. Try the sixth one. Same type. Form an equation.
Okay, sir.
At least I expect कि आप लोग equation अपने आप form कर सकते हो. And then जब equation बना ली तो solve तो कर ही सकते. That means you can do the question yourself. I know. Try it.